Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is Anthony from Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts on Facebook and YouTube. The only Honda Snowblower channel on YouTube, I believe. And I have a special message for everybody today. I wanted to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And I wanted to thank everybody for all your support on the channel and on the Facebook group, which I started 6 years ago. I retired from UPS 9 years ago. Found this second career as an accident. And I just want to let you folks know I am never going to retire. I don't care if I'm 99 years old. I'm going to be out in this garage working every day. I absolutely love what I do. I feel like I'm the luckiest guy in the world. I just love coming out in this garage. My wife likes it too, that I'm out of her hair. And I just love coming out here and working on Honda snowblowers. I never had any reason to get into this. It was just happened by accident. And I started that Facebook group to help people out on what I've learned over the years of working on 400 or 500 of these machines, and people just started asking for videos, so I started doing them. 9 years ago, this garage was empty. I could put 2 cars in this garage, and look what's happened. I mean, maybe I can get 1 car in the garage now, but it took a lot of work. I mean, this garage is totally dedicated to Honda snowblowers. Well, except for the stereo, but that helps me. I've got all kinds of tools and parts and machine parts, and I had to build all these workbenches out of old pallets. I've got pictures. My wife gave me that clock up there with the Honda snowblower on it. I've got pictures all over the place, and pictures of the family. Here's my little dog. Unfortunately, we just lost him a couple days ago. He was 19 years old. I mean, he was a gift from heaven, folks. I mean, I swear to God, we got him from a humane society, animal shelter 9 years ago. He's the best little dog that we ever had. I'm a little bit sad about losing him, but he was a terrific friend. And I just want to let everybody know, have a happy Thanksgiving, have a safe weekend. Don't worry, I'm never going to retire. My goal is to work in this garage, working on Honda snowblowers till the day I die. I just love it so much. And a lot of people say, that follow the group and the channel, they figured it out. They says, man, Anthony, you must really love what you do, because I do this for free. I don't get any, I don't make any money on it. I don't have a business or anything. I try to help people when I can. The YouTube channel is growing. We're making a little bit of money on that. Pays for my phone, and pays for tools and such. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. Like and subscribe. Make comments in the videos and on the Facebook channel. And we'll see you again next time. Thanks.